Hello again. In this video, we will explain how to enter shutdown and replacement criteria for CHP and battery energy storage systems. Let's start with shutdown criteria. In the CHP Input tab, we have the ability to simulate the unit's shutdown of the CHP system by specifying an annual shutdown schedule, which will be repeated annually. Shown on the screen is an example of a shutdown schedule of a 4-unit CHP system. The first column specifies the date and time of the shutdown. The date should always be a date in the first year of operation. It should be formatted in date and time format in your Excel file. The second column specifies the number of units to shut down at each date and time specified. Notice that for a 4-unit system, we must have a total of 4 units or less in that column. The third column specifies the number of hours that the units are to stay shut down for. Once we specify this schedule and save our Excel file, we can just import the file into the shutdown criteria field using the Import button. In a similar way, the unit replacement schedule can be specified. But in the replacement schedule, we can specify any future year within the microgrid lifespan specified. We can see here the number of units to be replaced are specified at each date and time. For the battery energy storage system, the schedule doesn't have the number of units column since the battery storage model in CogenS is currently designed for a single unit system. The second option for replacement criteria is based on capacity and not a schedule. We can enter a minimum capacity threshold for when we'd want a single unit to be replaced. Depending on the degradation criteria we entered for the system, CogenS will continue to calculate every unit capacity at every time step. CogenS will decide to replace the unit when its degraded capacity divided by the unit's rated capacity has reached the specified threshold ratio. When a unit is replaced, its available capacity reverts back to the rated value at the replacement time step. The degradation criteria are then reapplied to the system in the following time steps. That concludes our video. We'll see you in the next one.